Did you realize that simply by clicking on emojis, it can help you make money? I'm sure you're all familiar with what emojis are and how they look. You can make up to $150 a day by doing this. To get funds directly to your account, all you have to do is click on emojis. Imagine earning $3 just clicking on one emoji. The more emojis you have, the better your chances are of making a lot of money. And don't forget, it's completely free and you can do it with your smartphone or computer. Continue to follow along with me as I show you how to execute all of these methods. I'll teach you how to properly register and activate your account in just a minute, as well as lead you through a series of real-world scenarios to help you learn how to do it correctly. So stick with us till the end of the video and don't miss out! Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. The first thing I'd like you to do is go to the flaticon.com website and look around. On this website, you can earn money by clicking on emojis. Over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis, are available on their homepage, and they're all free to use. All of the icons, as well as all the pictures and images that we may download for free, can be seen on this page. You'll discover it if I scroll down on this page. In this video, I'll show you how we can make a lot of money online by using them. By just clicking on the emojis, you can make money into two ways. I'm going to show you the first technique right now. Then at the end of the video, I'll show you the second one. For the first approach, go to the top of the website and click on Become a Contributor. Then you'll be directed to a flat icon page where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and distributing emojis and getting compensated for it. The three simple stages are as follows. The first step is to create a free account, which I'll explain to you how to accomplish in a moment. The second step is to share and upload your favorite icon packs, which should include these, because it allows us to start getting paid and make money right immediately. This third step is essentially our favorite. In general, this is how things work. By clicking this, you will now be able to join. After that, you'll be taken to this website where you can create a free account. On this page, simply write your username, email address, and password, then click the register button. Then move on to this page, which states that we're almost done before clicking the green button to accept the terms and conditions. Be sure to read all of them. Once you finish step 1, you can continue on to the second step where you can make your profile and earn money. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. The first step is to upload your profile pictures. Simply click on the browse button right here and then scroll down to offer additional info about yourself. You can have a public username that you want to see, or you can leave it blank if you don't have one. For our professional portfolio and social media, use the down arrow in the country area to select the country from which you're accessing the website. If you don't have any other social media accounts, you can choose English as the language and attach whatever social media account you have. Move on to the next step if you want to leave it blank. We're getting there, and we're going to start uploading new photographs in order to get a lot of clicks. However, we strongly advise you to read the creator's handbook first. This button will take us to a platform where we can read more guides, obtain more information, and learn more on how to start making money on this website by clicking on emojis. You can do it just like that, but I'll show you how to do it quickly on this. All you must do is click on the upload button to begin the process, and this will lead you to your personal dashboard within your fresh new account. When you click on the dashboard link, you'll be directed to this page where you can find your username at the top. Check out how many emojis and symbol packs you've previously uploaded, and how much money you've earned each day. There are a lot of people who live in this area, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on this channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video. Keep in mind that we're seeking to collect a large number of free emojis that we may use to generate revenue for our website. So go back to the flaticon.com site and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which will take you to a pattern generator. You will then be taken to this link where you can download free flat icon software that allows you to create a variety of designs and patterns using different emojis. Right now, all you have to do is click on this button that says Try It Now. This will lead you to the Flat Icon Pattern Generator software homepage. Once again, this is a completely free service that you can use on your phone or computer, anywhere in the world. You may proceed to step 1, which is searching for and locating your preferred icon or emojis right now under the icon section. You may simply click on this icon to bring it up to the dashboard if you like it. You may simply drag and drop it anywhere you like as seen above. It can also be changed in size, and there are a lot of different icons and designs to pick from. The packs button is also a good place to start if you want to see all types of different emojis and images that you may utilize in your design. What we will do right now is go back to the emojis and simply click on them. Where you can choose from a range of emojis to use in your design, you can simply repeat the process as shown. Furthermore, you can select a number of backdrop colors from your public design beneath this icon in the background. And if you like the pink design, for example, we can simply click on it and it'll appear right here. You can save it to your smartphone, your computer for free because it's simple to accomplish and doesn't require any prior technological knowledge or experience. All you have to do now is click on the Download Now button right here. When you finish editing, make certain that you follow all the steps in this video. I'd like you to utilize 1000 for the power size after you've decided on a PNG format. Now I'd like you to pick a number between 4000 and 1000 for the image. With the format size and size set, you're ready to go. To download them, all you have to do is click on this link. This is something you can do on your smartphone as well. Simply make a post and start earning money. I'd like to give you another additional tip. Now, click on the search button right here as well as some random pattern buttons right here. And the professional software will assist you in creating some random patterns, which are typically quite unprofessional. So if you want to see the next set of random designs, simply click on this again. And it will display a variety of random things. To the site, not everything is appealing. I could, for example, save it to my PC or mobile phone if I find it very appealing. Return the flat icon contributor, log into your account, and click on the My Icon step after you've finished designing your emojis and download them on your phone or computer. After clicking upload, you may now drag and drop your file into this box and it will be uploaded to this website. So as promised, by going on to Fiverr.com, I'm going to show you a second option to make money online. This website offers a wide range of opportunities. You can do text, video, and animation as well as graphic design. As you can see, there are many ways to make money online, but I want you to focus on graphic design in this video. As I click on this button, it takes me to the art and illustration subcategory. I'd like for you to look at this pattern design since it's a brand new category and it's your chance to make money online with no pressure. Simply click on this link and go to the page regarding pattern designs, where you can see how other sellers from all around the world are already making money by simply producing and generating new designs. Because this is a brand new method with limited competition, we can jump straight in with the method. So if one vendor is asking $30, think about the second seller who is asking for $40 or $50. And don't be alarmed because everyone here charges and offers different pricing. You can see that she charged us between $60 and $30. If we go to this page by clicking on the seller right here, take a look at these examples of what we can do with the free flat icon software to create new patterns and make more money at the same time for a business that requires you to choose a variety of patterns. Surprisingly, she has nearly 400 evaluations from a variety of sources. See who the best sellers are among the 400 assignments that have already sold out and how, for example, each project costs between $10 and $20. And she has already made around $8,000 on Fiverr just by developing new patterns, which you can see are easy to create with the help of free flat icon softwares. Simply placing the icon in the proper location and changing the background color is all that's required. In reality, it is currently being used by a huge number of people, and that's all there is to it. Simple enough. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.